All right. How is everybody doing out there? We've been on a mission to get a door. Check this out. What that is. That looks like it's coming from a nursery or going to a nursery. We've been on the hunt to find our door, our back door to our house here. And we stopped at multiple places along the highway. You see doors, you pull over. You see furniture being made, you pull over. The deal is to find a good deal, right? That's the thing. You've got to find a good deal, right? They're all making doors, and you tell them what size, and they make it, and they have their own wood that they use. But I found this place. We actually stopped here one time before, but they had the best deal. We are getting a door. It's not. It's down here. Let me show you here. It's a family-owned business. How much was the door jam and delivery?
The
Door jam, door and delivery.
200 delivery.
200 delivery. Right, 200 pesos delivery.
Yes. And then 2,500 for the door jam.
For the door jam.
And then 6,700 for the 6,800 for the door.
Take two on the price. Total amount we're paying.
9,500.
9,500. Now let's break down the 9,500, shall we? How much for the door?
6,800.
For the door.
Yes.
That includes the stain on the
Yes.
door. All right. Door jam.
2,500.
2,500.
Yes.
And delivery.
200.
200. There it is, guys. There's the breakdown. But anyways, like I said, these are all family-owned little businesses here. Len Furniture Shop. This is stop at General Luna Road. Going that way, you go into General Luna. It's all handcrafted furniture here, wood furniture here. Actually, this is the door an exact size we're getting right here. This door right here. All right, nothing big, nothing fancy, but you got to shop around. Some places are a little more, some places are a little cheaper, but then you're going to get a cheaper quality of a door. But I don't know. It'll serve its purpose. And they said Tuesday will be delivered, which could be maybe Wednesday or Thursday. But it is what it is. You know, we've been out with the door for this long now, but they do beds here. There's door jams right there. They do beds here, bunk beds here. Like I said, most of these furniture shops all the way down the road here, they all kind of do the same thing. Can you special order something? You're damn right you could, and they'll be happy to make it for you. So what kind of wood is it?
I don't remember.
What kind of wood, Kuya? Ask him.
Unsa to nga wood, ma'am?
What kind of wood?
Unsa nga wood ang inyong gigamit ani? Ani? Oo, katong inyong himuon. Lawaan.
Lawaan.
Don't tell me that in English because I
Don't know what it is in English, but they call it lawaan.
Yeah.
All right, we got the wood chopping crew here. Uyak is visiting. He's going to graduate soon. He'll be the PNP. PNP? Why are you guys laughing? That's your brother, PNP, Uyak man.
I don't like PNP.
Oh, what do you want to do?
Fireman.
Fireman.
Firefighting.
Firefighting.
Yeah.
You actually going to fight the fire, or are you just going to be there guarding the station?
No, I gotta fight the fire.
You're going to fight the fire.
Yeah, just protect our country. Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
All right.
Body ko sa lantian.
Yeah, he's up visiting. They had closed down water transportation here. What happens was when it gets very rainy, windy, all water transportation is shut down. You can't go down to the port. You can't go to Surigao City. You can't go to any of the Bucas Grande. All water traffic is shut down. That's shut down by the Coast Guard. So he was supposed to arrive Friday, but they had everything shut down with this bad storm that came through. And now today he's here. He'll probably go back tomorrow. But, you know, you guys do leave great comments. You guys do leave great comments. You always have the, and I'm even saying troll. Troll's such a easy word that people just throw around nowadays. But you do have a couple that will always say, you know, you're living in a shithole. Living in a shithole. Look at that. Quiet. Do you hear any motorcycles buzzing up and down the road? Any pollution blowing into the sky? Look at that. And that's a quiet motorbike. This is a shithole? This paradise is a shithole? I don't get it. This is looking nice. Let's, what are they called? I forget what they're called now. Yeah. She's not here to tell me. It's the tip of my tongue. They're orchids. But, oh no. Now they're breaking out the chainsaw. Uh-oh. Chainsaw's coming out. But, yeah, shithole? Is that really a shithole? You tell me. Tell me if that's a shithole. Alright. Buddy's over here. But you know what? I will show you something here. Alright. Let me get back here. Muddy. It's muddy. Gotta watch where I step. I don't slide out. But you know what? Here. Let me show you this. Alright. This is a real shithole. Right here. Literally a real shit hole. They're digging a septic tank for the house right here. There was one, but I don't know what happened to it. So they have dug a new septic tank here. You guys see how deep that is? I don't know how deep that is. 6, 7 feet maybe deep down in there. And that's a shithole. Out here in this shithole area where I live, all right, in the Philippines, that is a typical, hang on, let me cut this off because of the chainsaw. Question for you.
Yeah.
Where's your hard hat, your ear protection, your chainsaw guard pants, your steel tip boots? Where are they at?
Pinoy bro, mga gang.
It doesn't exist.
Yeah.
Province style.
Yeah.
No budget. Low budget. No budget. Yeah, guys. Speaking about the shithole, right? That is what you see here in the provinces. They dig them, and they dig them so deep, and you know, I don't know the whole size, all that other stuff. Somebody's going to say, well, you're not meeting some kind of regulation, has to be so. This is the province. Every house on this street, up the street, down the street, a majority of them, they don't have sewer lines run. So you can't tap into the sewer line here and dump your waste that way. You get out in these provinces, this is how they set up a shithole. Literally a shithole. That's just how it is. No permits required. No, you know, they've been doing these for years. They've been doing it for years. They know how to set them up. They know how to do them just right. And, but yeah, that's a shithole. Oh, hang on. I just seen something here. All right, I'll have to notify Lud. I just seen something. Anyways, guys, I don't know. Pretty nice shithole area I live in, huh? Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah, let me step to the side a little bit. We got Big Red running. Big Red is running out of brownout. That's what's nice. Boy, that's a nice bright sun there. That's what's nice here. You're in the province, especially here. You're going to get brownouts. Now, they've been pretty good. The brownouts have been lasting maybe 5, 10, 15 max. But you kind of know if it's going to get back on, because you're sitting in the house waiting for the power to come back on. and bam, the light comes on for like a split second. Literally a split second, and then goes out. And then the power came back on for a split second and then went out. That's when you know there's more to the problem than just flipping a switch. So yeah, we got Big Red running, and hey, best investment I ever made here in the province. You know, we can, do I need to run it? But you know what? It's nice because you can test it. Every other week or so, you can test out your generator. Make sure it's running. Make sure the juice is flowing. Make sure the gas is flowing. And we'll see how long this one goes for. Yeah, I'm having a breakfast date with my lovely asawa here at Gusla in Dapa. That is our view this morning. A little overcast, sunny. It's a 50-50 kind of morning or day. You got to get out when the sun is shining. Guys, I want to show you this here. You always see this here. They always give you this. It's a pepper and calamansi. Look, can you break it down? Can you break down? You need the soy sauce, right?
Right.
It comes with soy sauce. It comes with this also. That's more of like a spicy vinegar, and that's soy sauce. The vinegar has peppers in it and stuff. But this comes free of charge at a lot of places. You believe it? Something is free. Yeah, go ahead.
You can push the calamansi half.
Calamansi's like a lime. It tastes almost like a lime flavor.
And then you're
Very
gonna
good for you.
put the soy sauce here.
Soy sauce.
And then you're gonna put the chili here.
It's a little chili
It
pepper.
depends what kind or
How hot you want it.
Hot you want. You
All
need.
right.
Oh
You want another one in there?
no.
Oh, one's
then you're
enough.
gonna more. Okay.
And that's it.
That's it.
And then of course, what's that?
It's a marinated.
Oh, that's what is that? Bungus?
bangus.
Bungus. With her tomatoes, rice, or tomatoes,
Yeah, tomato.
eggs, rice, mangoes, tomatoes, and cucumbers. And my meal's on the way. I'll show you my meal when it arrives here. All right, so my breakfast has arrived. I got 3 pieces of Hello Kitty toast. Got some jam, butter, Hungarian sausage, because what was the sausage that was out of stock?
Italian.
I think it was an Italian sausage that was out of stock. And this is tomatoes and mushrooms. And of course some scrambled eggs. So a good meal, but hey, I'll give you the price. I'll give you the price on everything. 2 meals, 2 iced coffees with free chili peppers, calamansi, soy sauce, and vinegar. All right, so the meal was 770 pesos. I'll put the US dollar conversion right down here. Hey, it's splitting bamboo.
Yes, bamboo. Good morning.
Splitting bamboo.
Yes.
Is this a new restaurant coming in here?
No, it's repaired in that restaurant.
It's part of this restaurant.
No, in the other.
Oh.
Did you eat it?
Gusla. Gusla. So Gusla is expanding into here.
No,
It's part of theirs.
no.
No.
Just
This is for Gusla. This is for Gusla. All right. I got it now. That's work right there.
yes.
That's work. Yeah. Anyways, we got a couple little other restaurants open through here this morning. A lot of times you come down here at night. This will be full. All these restaurants will be up. They'll be running. They put tables out through here. All through here. It is nice. We've come up here and had dinner up here quite a few times. But anyways, guys, shoot down here and show you the port here. Talisay. Never ate there. Talisay. General Luna, Dapa, San Benito, San Isidro, Socorro, Pilar, Saint Monica. I think I've been to all of them. I've been to all of them. But here's your port. You got your row out there. Busy area. Land or sea transportation is opened. I just like walking down. Ooh, look at that stink foot. Got me a stink foot. I just like walking down through here. It's just so nice. So nice. So anyways, guys, that's a wrap for my video. Hopefully we'll be able to get out more. Depending on the weather, there's a couple places I do want to go and check out that I haven't been to. And that's where we're going to go. Here we go. We got the old Dapa. I love Dapa. And we got a bunch of selfies going on here. Anyways, look, you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's get out of here. Wait, I got one more stop. All right, I'm stopped here at the best cobbler on Sherrigal Island. He's fixing my shoe here. So, yeah, both, right? I'm gonna sew both, but he's hooked me up. Yeah, there you go. He's hooked me up with shoe repairs in the past. So Makano kuya. 200 pesos only. 200. All right, that's a good deal. 100 each. Good deal. Yeah, he's a good guy. I like coming to him. It's funny because one time we negotiated a price and he said to me, "Well, you're rich." I just laughed. He speaks a little bit of English, but I forget his story. He told me his story one time, but real nice guy. Anyways, guys, now we're out of here.